To make GIF photos on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you'll need to open your camera app. Next step is to navigate to those 4 dots, and then we can click on the gear icon to open camera settings. Now scroll all the way down and find Camera Assistant. If you select it for the first time, it will transfer you to Galaxy Store, where you can download a plugin for your camera. After it's downloaded, just scroll down right here in the options and find the swipe shutter button to edge to create GIFs. Now you can go back to your camera, and then you can swipe the shutter to the edge, and that way take a GIF. So it should look like this. And now, if maybe that is not the great presentation for it, let's try again. Okay, and here, as you can see, it made a GIF. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.